Yo, what's up mga ka-idol? For today's video, ngayong araw ay December 31, huling taon ng 2023. At huling araw na rin namin dito sa Switzerland.
Huwag kayo iiyak.
So yung mga ka-idol, no, preparing na kami. Papunta na kami sa trabaho namin, sa Circus. Then, eto na yung last day namin na mag-work dito. And,
iyakan na to.
Advance Happy New Year. So yung mga ka-idol, see you tayo mamaya sa trabaho.
So I think for me, you've been really important in my life, I mean personal life and everything, because you helped me a lot. The show is really good. The show growing up, like in Olala, in Salto, is because I like that you helped me. Thank you very much for the rehearsal with Michael Jackson. The show is really good. We have really good comments. It's not about me. It's not about Mariana. It's not about Lucia.
First of all, I say thank you, John, because from the very beginning you are really a good manager. It's very important that you keep it too, yeah? Because it's very important the person that will be the leader of you. It's so important. Your energy, your kindness, your happiness, your performance is really great. Thank you very much from the bottom of our heart. Really. And you will have always a place here for us, and really nice. And to say, John, thank you. Thank you because you manage everything very, very nice, very professional, with heart. Top, you top, John, you top.
Thank you. I will let you each one talk about the experience in short words. Can you talk them?
First of all, as you can try to say thank you to Mariana, I so much, I have more learning here in Salto and Olala. I have a great experience and never forget this one.
Oh, me neither, eh? Next.
You can talk in your language.
For me, it's best experience because this is my first time to go to Switzerland and then first country. Yeah, first country. Then super.
First flight. First time you came out in the Philippines.
Oh,
Thank you, Mariana. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mariana. Thank you, Tagalog and Tagalog. First time here in Switzerland, but very wonderful experience. I love the people, very nice. It's my dream.
I love you. You have a lot of energy,
Yeah.
and then you are good because your energy it's not for you, it's for everybody.
Yeah.
On the stage, in the group, you always smiling, you always crying.
great.
I'm really mad about your needs and how did you
This
take
was
care.
the bad point, you know.
But it's really important to have someone like you in the group.
Yes, because you're great. Your energy and your aura is really nice.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Good.
Pa-translate
You can talk in your language.
Your language.
Salamat ako.
Just want to say thank you, Mari. Dream come true.
Oh, thank you.
You say no. I want you to talk.
Thank you so much in Olala and Salto. For that short time, we are very happy to be with you, working with you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Good man.
I want to say thank you to Fidel for not being a coach, for being friends. Because this also first time for me.
Very nice.
Very appreciated.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, and everyone who doing the Salto and Olala. This is a big experience to us. We have a long term. That is the dream come true to all of us. Thank you.
So nice. Great, man. Great.
Salamat sa lahat. Lalo na kay Mariana, kay Sir, at sa buong ng Salto
For all the cast.
para sa amin sa mahabang panahon namin dito, namin namin
heart for all Urban crew. I love you so much. And this is a memorable experience for me. And he's not. I will never forget the experience here. And you. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for all. Have a blessed.
We will never forget you. Never.
Matthew.
Thank you. First of all, thank you for understanding my dreams.
Yes, good.
And I will never forget this moment. For me, it's a big experience.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Ah,
Go Wayne. Amen.
Thank you, Mariana, Eden, and Sir, and your dear boy.
Thank you for our leader.
oh yes.
Yeah.
A wonderful experience. Never forget anything.
That's okay, the language.
Thank you.
So nice. Thank you guys.
Guys.
Thank you guys.
So now, guys, so we have 2 shows.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna rock the stage. The energy
Yes.
to 100%.
Yes.
In the
Break the stage.
yeah,
Yes.
Michael Jackson battle foyer closing opening. So now you have 2 shows. Enjoy. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Fidel. Thank you, Mariana.
Mariana, especially you.
Thank you very much. Let me go to Philippines.
Mabuhay! Yo, what's up mga ka-idol? So yun, natapos na yung last show namin dito sa Switzerland and sa Salto. Yun, mas maganda yung napakita namin yun. Yan sila! Let's go! Let's go! Happy New Year mga kapatid! Go! Solid tong taon na to. Sobrang daming blessings na dumating sa amin and gagalingan pa namin palagi. Yeah. Yan yung mga kasama namin. Picture muna! Yeah! Let's go! So ayun, maraming salamat sa mga ka-idol namin dyan. Lagi kayong mag-aantabay sa amin sa mga video na ilalabas namin. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Hindi pa to tapos. Marami pa mangyayari rito. Hintay lang kayo.
Mga ka-idol, so mag-antay muna kami ng countdown dito. Dito kami mag-countdown ng New Year.
Yeah!
Abangan nyo. Yeah! Mag-peace muna kami.
Let's go! Yo, what's up mga ka-idol?
Parang may problema ka.
Kaya nandito na kami sa VIP. Let's go! Happy New Year everyone!
Hey, Happy New Year!
Let's go, kampay tayo mga ka-idol. So yun oh. Kampay lang. Hey! Kampay tayo mga ka-idol. Hey! 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 Happy! Maraming salamat sa inyo mga ka-idol. Kita-kits tayo ulit sa mga susunod naming ilalabas sa video.
What's up mga ka-idol? Sana masaya kayo ngayong bagong taon. At sana maraming blessing na dumating sa inyo mga ka-idol. Yo, pakisuporta kami. Huwag nyo kakalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe para lagi kayo updated sa mga videos namin.
Let's go! I love you mga ka-idol. Hanggang sa muli. Kita-kits tayo dyan sa Pilipinas. Let's go!
Meanwhile.
So yun na nga mga ka-idol, no? Oh.
Salamat nga pala kay tita. Salamat po kay tita.
Ay tita.
May cook ka na?
Hi there.
Pauwi na.
Pauwi na.
Yo, what's up mga ka-idol? So yun, nakaupo na kami. Nandito na kami sa aeroplano. Sila. Let's go. So yun mga ka-idol, papahinga muna kami. Let's go.
Yo, so ngayon nandito na kami sa Pilipinas! Welcome back, yo! Yo, maraming salamat nga pala sa bumubuo ng Olala at Salto. Maraming salamat yan. Yeah! Oh, yo, shoutout sa mga tumulong sa aming mga Filipino community dyan sa Switzerland. Mabuhay kayo, maraming salamat. Yeah. At yun, sana sa susunod na journey, kung makakabalik man kami, maraming salamat ulit. Yeah! So yo, what's up mga idol? Dito na matatapos ang vlog namin at aming journey sa Switzerland. Yo, wag niyo pong makakalimutan mag-like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa aming YouTube channel. Dankeschön!